Zelda MIG/MMA 550 is new patented design of IGBT module welding machine. Adopt latest soft switching inverter technology, the machine manufactured under strict European specifications, with a strong trolley in the back, modern overall design. Compared to the old one, the new model improve efficiency and performance by reducing the switching losses. Soft switching techniques also improve the power quality and reduces the interference with other devices, able to weld any angle, such as flat welding, vertical welding, horizontal welding, overhead welding with 100 duty cycle and excellent welding performance. The machine can keep working for the whole day without any problem. In addition, it can withstand voltage deviations between plus or minus 20 with professional wire winder, with great quality motor and 2 push-pull rollers, safe and stable wire reducer, suitable for all kinds of coils. The arc of the machine is very stable and low splash, suitable for shipbuilding industry manufacturing, large steel structure, large oil pipeline, industrial processing, machining, etc. If you need a great MIG welder for heavy industrial use and with excellent quality, please choice from Zelda.